Day 53 on that Crown Zenith. First one up to bat. Snow Runt. 1, 2, 3, 4, I declare them woe. Darkness, even though it's pretty bright. Ultra Ball. Friends in Hisui. Lost Vacuum Cleaner from Black & Decker. Snow Runt. Rock Roof. Tangelope. Balto. Glaring Mouth. Dusclops. Luxray. Code Card. Second one for the day. What is in this one? Hopefully something cool. If not, then it is what it is. Life Goes On. Green Energy. Ice Climbers. Seamus. The Mallet from Smash Bros. Young Goose the Rapper. Cherubi. Starly. Switch. Will Smith. Execute. Turtle Twig. Pangoro. And Code Card. There y'all go.